very well and I'm so proud of them. Balik kami ulit, game 2. Hopefully, manalo kami.
Coach, yung result yun nga, hindi pumasok yung tira, pero would you say na you're taking it as a good sign na binigyan niyo yung chance yung sarili niyo, na multiple chances to win the game in that last 50 seconds?
Yes, yung mga miscue namin sa defense namin, yun yung mga tatargetin namin for 2 more days kung ano yung mga kailangan namin gawin. And we'll be back stronger on game 2.
Coach, something positive. You forced 31 turnovers sa 16 steals. What can you say about the defense, especially in the first half?
I think yun yung pride namin sa UST is to play individual and team defense. But unfortunately, yung last play kay Shelo, si Bridget owns that. Sinabi nga niya mali siya. And I think yun yung maganda sa mga players ng UST. They own to their mistakes. And what's very good sa championship kasi nakita natin uli yung series namin sa NU maganda talaga at papanoorin ng mga tao. And when it comes to those small mistakes na mga ganun sa championship, you will pay for that.
Coach Ken performed really well nung first few quarters, but medyo na-lock up siya ng fourth. Is there anything na parang you're looking for her pa, especially you mentioned last game din yung kung para siya nag-a-adjust kapag tinitriple team, quadruple team?
Alam na ni Kent kasi yung mga gagawin sa kanya, expect na niya, double team, di ba? So, what's nice kay Kent ngayon, she only had 3 turnovers. Unfortunately, yung mga tira na dapat na-shoot, hindi namin na-shoot, but it's a good play for her.
Coach, also, you had 19 more attempts from the field, at 1 more field goal. Is this something that you would take again for next game?
Yes, that's the game plan talaga to take more attempts and hopefully makakonvert. Okay. Thank you.